new and more exciting stereophonic tapes are being put on the market every day. Would you like to hear a sample?
I'm with you.
All right, let's try... This is a new dimension in sound.
It's the most tremendous new musical experience you can have. And now it's available for everyone. Living stereo, played on a record, made possible only through years of research, invention, and innovation. Back and forth, side to side, in the groove. The revolutionary new living stereo groove. They will come in a brilliant variety. Every kind of music for every kind of taste.
They get the illusion of sound coming from a wide area, as if a full orchestra were in the room. A feeling of life and nearness in the music. Wait a minute. I can do a few tricks too, you know. Are you ready? Let her go. Ray of light. Are you with me? I'm with you now. Stereophonic sound, a new dimension in sound. And tell me, do you have to be an electronic genius with nothing but spare time for this kind of... Oh no, no, no.
And all in thrilling, new, living sound.
This is what I want to hear already. That was great, sensational, terrific. What is it?